Woo! I'm back. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Paper Tiger. If you're new here, my name is Steven. I'm about to get passed by a really nice Mustang. And, man, that's a nice Mustang. You can see it in the video recording. Anyway, we just hosted a car show. I know I'm filming this outro a little bit late, but it's better late than never. Me and my friend Tommy filmed a lot of the cars leaving. All right, cut to that. Yeah, not bad. About time. Oh no, you nerd.
That thing sounds so good.
Holy crap. Jesse, fat burnout. Jesse, you're lame. It's sounding cheap. All right, GTO time. Yeah, baby. Oh, holy crap. That was fun. This guy. Yeah, holy shoot. Oh, he did a full-on drift there. Holy crap.
Yeah, he had it.
Oh, that was cool.
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. That's not.
He's
one wheel peeling. The one wheel peel.
Oh yeah.
Come on, boy. Come on. Yes. Good. All right, a little bit. I thought that guy was gonna hit us. Oh, I love that truck. That truck's sick.
60 horns.
Spin him.
She's gonna do one too.
Holy crap, that was cool. We gotta do the MG midget. Yeah, listen to this crap. That's
He's
full power.
redlined right
That was
now.
full power. Yeah! Yes! I love seeing Corvettes so much.
It's a Dodge. It doesn't have power.
That was massive!
All right, Smokey in the Bandit style. Oh, this is gonna be cool. Josh, full send! Justin, full send! Good job, Justin. All right, that's gonna be it for this video. It's short, it's sweet. It's to the point though. A lot of good engine sounds in this video, so I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Also, yes, there is a Mustang Mach-E behind me. I'd love to elaborate on this, but I don't care. And also, I don't have time. I want to go home. So I just want to say a quick thank you to my friend Tommy for helping me shoot this video, and for my school for hosting this car show, which was a lot of fun, and I enjoyed it quite a bit. Yeah, I don't know if there's really anything else that I need to say, other than if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you like my videos, please consider subscribing because it helps me out quite a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. Bye-bye.